Tip 92. My repair shop.
Dialogue.
Hey Days, how's everything?
Hey, John. It's great to see you. I'm setting up a motorcycle repair shop and trying to figure out what all I'll need. Any suggestions?
Sure. Have you already found a location?
I found a small one. It's for a small business, but it's a good place to start.
My main suggestion is to always prioritize safety. Maintaining a high level of health and safety is essential for all businesses, no matter their size.
Is it necessary for me to know about safety too?
For sure, as an employer, keeping your staff and workers safe and healthy should be the highest priority.
Where can I find the right guidance on safety?
First of all, you should enroll in a safety course. It's essential that employers know what standards must be followed for their specific industry.
Can I also learn about safety equipment there?
Yes, it's important to emphasize wearing the correct safety equipment, whether you are a worker, an employee, or an employer.
Thanks for the information.
Anytime, contact me if you have any other questions or need more information. See you later. Exercise. Answer. What is essential in all businesses no matter their size?
Maintaining a high level of health and safety.
To whom safe and healthy should be the highest priority?
To an employer and also to a business owner.
What is essential that employers know about safety?
To know what standards need to be adhered to for their specific industry.
Can any safety equipment be used everywhere?
No, the correct safety equipment must be chosen.
What is important to know about safety equipment?
About wearing the correct safety equipment.
Tip 92. My repair shop. Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.